Yo, top of the outside, let's get right into it, man. Look, Cordae. So, originally I was gonna react to Youngboy's shit, but I don't know. Shit got pushed back like a week or some shit like that. I don't know. If you react to Cordae, let's get right into it, man. Look, he did say a lot. Like this album was big for him personally and emotionally. For me, like I guess for me, bro. I don't know. He was going through some shit during the album. I don't know. Let alone that, I feel like I have hope in him because he does drop good music. And, you know, feel me. He look up to niggas like J. Cole, Kendrick, who else? Like.
When I was 9, that my first time I held a 9. Put it on God, man, it must have been a sign. Cause my mother, she was stripping, she was always on his mind. While her boyfriend, he was pimping, he ain't have a lot of time. So he showed me where it was and showed me how to work. Up in the trenches, top of fences, around the time they gave my boy a life sentence. But I still ain't learn, nigga. I was trying to learn, nigga. Trying to put somebody in the grave or actually my uncle in the prison shit. Now
shit, hold on.
Cycle like recycle, they want to see us back 18. Lines I was dead, I was living with. I want myself, they been down for 35. Keep the time, keep the time before he died.
This just sound majestic. What the fuck?
I could have said something to get me out the camp. I can tell you what I've seen or what I lived. It's up to you. Or let my brother tell the story from a bird's eye view.
Yo, okay. Yeah, I see how he's coming. See, I'm glad. I'm placing all my chips on him. It's over. Yo, 2022 is giving 2016 vibes, bro. I'm saying that right now. I'm putting it out there. 2022 musically, bro. If this how we moving from the album this point on forward, bro, well, we got like 16 songs on this shit. Oh yeah, 15 more songs. If he can, yo, but that was a Jill call, and he made that shit sound fire, bro. What the fuck? He was just flowing on that shit, and then the majestic ass beat, like, yo, bro. Even though I'm fried, like, you know, it just hit even more different, cause you know you hear all the instruments and shit, like, yo, bro. Like a warping sound, like that shit sound fire. The color right here, this shit is right away. That was tough. Bird's eye view. Okay, nah, I said this album's movie. Yo, look, I'm excited for this shit. Look, we got 15 more songs. Yo, I like shit like this for me because this is some cold shit. This is some Kendrick shit. This bring me back to the times when they was dropping on albums like 2014, Force Hills Drive. For me, shit like that, bro. I just, yo, nah, let's get right to it, man. Next song, Michel or Michael? I don't even know, man. Let's get. Yeah, production on this shit is gonna sound fucking crazy. All time. Yo, I feel like I should have played the first song into the second song. It's like a little transition.
I'm trying to accomplish, underrated, overhated, I'm tired of the nonsense. Things I could have done better, it lies in my conscience, and I'll never forget it. I'm my worst critic, and on my mama I will die for the right cause. Cause what's life without sacrifice? And you just wasting talent if you never strategize. Stare death in the face with the saddest eyes. Taking risk, situations getting magnified. What's your ideal way of demise? The price of fame costs higher, can't quit your thirst. Of a conqueror, ask Alex as Christopher. 7-figure checks, they require my signature. Drive by this out with my picture's worth. I just know that it's painted well. Your favorite artist's first priority is gaining wealth. Sprinkle hope.
It's one of those. It's really one of those. It's one of those. It definitely might be one of those. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Alright, so real quick, I'm gonna pause it because now I just read this post and everything like that, like thoroughly. Because I'm not gonna lie, I looked through it and I said, okay, no skips, no interruptions, so I knew that. But what I'm gonna do is I'll talk about each song. Nah, because for me, he's saying no interruptions, so I'm thinking like straight through, like just watch the whole entire thing. But alright, we'll do it for every 2 songs. We'll kind of like see what's up. I believe the beats are like gonna be like, for me, going into each other. That makes sense. Like the transitions going to each and every song.
Like Coca-Cola for the check that cut me at the Super Bowl. All my life moments is a Super Bowl. My nigga Dr. Dre, he got a Super Bowl. Last night I was texting Jack Dorsey, that's the person. It was mad different. Got my little cousin playing Batman. Get my little bro a quick 50 piece. He got the whole mug.
Yo, Jack, this Cordae got it. Cordae got it.
Like what? Hey, drop top coupe in the suck my zip, get cold every time that she touch my wrist. I'm the greatest, you can't fuck with this. My niggas pull up in them Chevys and Beamers. We all young and rich, you can't check my demeanor. I just bought a Birkin for my Aunt Rina. I'm getting money.
He's wildin'.
Last year, like it's me against the world, but I can give a fuck who my opponent is. Niggas asking why I dropped the YB and I had no other choices, we ain't on it. And all that janky shit, I'm not condoning it. With a couple niggas, I got a bone to pick. Come on, some movement shit, y'all gotta go down to just one of the press. So anybody got a problem with it, can't face kicking, fuck your politicking. I ain't worried about it, I know God is with it. Your piece of mind worth $1.50, but lag.
Yeah, I'm fucking with this. I hope this is gonna be some fire shit. First song, man, I'm already liking this shit. Baby, like, it just reminds me so much of Cole, bro. Like, Cole, like, all my old favorite artists, bro. I swear, it's just like, it's a newer version of them. It's like the Kid Boo version of them. Nah, we get that jack that Cordae, cause this nigga just shitted on this shit. What the fuck? He just shitted on this shit. Yo, he really shitted on that. I don't know if y'all understand, like, yo, bro, especially if you look an old OG Cole fan, OG Kendrick fan, like, yo, you can hear, like, not only the influence, but let alone that, you can hear how, damn, it just sounds. I'm sorry, y'all. Like, I'm trying to just let the album play out by itself, but damn, that shit was fucking good.
Yeah, I'm an G. I ain't playing with you niggas, boy. I'm playing for keeps. Fuck you, pussy ass niggas. Try to prey on the weak. I ain't talking no the next. Yeah. Confident, although I found myself compressed, overthinking, worrying, I must confess. Yeah. That shit a fucking scam. Somebody had to say it. Caught up in the matrix. Shit, I had to find a way out. Lost too many niggas where this shit is getting played out. Cause the gutter, I come straight out. The bottom of bottoms to the top of the tops. And that power washing van that I just bought for my pops. The time that I dropped. But for now, I was riding through my mama hood, rolling in G. I ain't playing with you niggas, boy, I'm playing for keeps. Niggas trying to prey on the weak. I ain't talking too much, I only say what I mean. I bring the whole city out every time that I'm home. How you all about business, but don't be minding your last shit. We used to have hoop dreams and skip all our classes. And now my nigga dead and gone. Shed these tears up in this song. Should've got on my face. The funeral was too much, I couldn't show my face. Instead, I was riding every time that I'm home. How you all about business, but don't be minding your own. Lord forgive me for my sins. This song is dedicated to my dog Juwan Ross. We caught him pit.
This nigga is just like
last summer in the shootout.
I don't even know, bro.
We used to be
He's
on
getting at the store.
He was like 15, 16 years old, and he always kept a bankroll on him. And
This shit's so cool. Alright, we want this shit play out. Not even gonna pause it. Just listen. Shit, so fucking good, like.
Okay, what do you want from me? What do you need? I'm only a human, baby, and we all bleed. Never live with vices or destroy with greed. All the time, moonlight and sunshine. Everything's interconnected and it's all by design. I asked my accountant, he said hell nah, but must have seen faith move mountains. Bad decisions will derive from you just being in love. She ain't the type who out all night that you could got nothing to hide, girl. Okay, what do you want from me? What do you need? I'm only a human, baby, and we all bleed. Never live with vices or destroy with greed. I'm a man with pride, I won't beg or plead. Just ask, what do you want from me? Your downfall, although I plan to rise. Life's your biggest fucking test and this ain't standardized. Accomplish shit that isn't feasible. Now what would Jesus do? Fishing bread to the masses. In terms of getting head, I was the head keeping the fire. My mom still go to work every day, can't wait till she can retire. I keep it real and that's what people admire.
So far, he's going crazy. He added this. Oh, shit, shit.
By telling me, take off my flag, asking how gangsta I was, nigga. You lucky on that day I was acting cool, cuz. I told you I ain't got time for that, but nigga, today I got time, cuz.
Today I got time. I remember that shit. That was like mad long ago, bro. I feel like 10 years ago, right? I don't remember. I don't remember that shit, bro.
I was broke as fuck, put that shit in the past. Grass and I swear it's getting real. I don't got the time today. Bully on my you ain't gotta worry, I'm fine and way. Shit gon' line in place. Hot like a Porsche, oil, my mama said. My Cardiak and the sun.
Like it was about to come back started going crazy.
Yeah, sun don't shine today. Ain't no kids crying today. You a waste of time, see through lingerie. I can pay a car to play. What's up the grind today?
He's doing good. Beat on that was a little weird. I haven't heard that kind of beat in a minute. I'm not gonna lie.
This is a Connect Services prepaid call from Shiloh. This call will be recorded and monitored.
Alright, so this is how the outfits be played. I know it was good.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, by the Dodge Charger. Suicide dose, sitting on 20 rows. I was trying to find a job, shit, why bother? In the house watching Coach Carter.
That's some old school shit.
Plotting on this fucking Cardiak.
Old school beat.
Plus a nigga trying to go fuck. Do something. Back when niggas wondered if I do numbers. Check the game, we call life, love is hard to attain. My little brother drive a Jeep and I just bought him a chain. A real nigga, what I is and what I always remain. With this bitch temptation, keep calling my name. I know, sitting on 20 floors, I was trying to find a job and shit, why bother? Being broken, make you try harder. Sitting in the house watching Coach Carter.
You can hear it too, you hear him like just traveling. I hear like those experiences.
Rhyming career for which my rhymes are bid. Click signs of a line that create seeds that eventually blossom to trees. Getting rid of all the extra shit I thought I would need. I put your head on the first stone. I used to dream about a Dodge Charger. Suicide doors, sitting on 20 floors. I was trying to find a job and shit, why bother? Being broken make you try harder. Sitting in the
hearing shit like this, it just gives me the confirmation I need. 2022 is a year. We had that 2016 music shit. I'm telling you. Musically, it could be as great as 2016. I could see that. Cause shit like this is like, okay, beginning of the year, it's in the tone. Like, and when
go and shut the fuck up, just let me talk, nigga. I'm a time bomb, it's waiting to go off, nigga. Quite nuclear, amazing what fame can do to you. Too peculiar, although I'm truly a renaissance. Try harder, but either way they gon' paint you the villain. 8 months with no phone, dog.
It's fucking spit, he even breathe yet.
In the building, nigga, we making a killing. Alright, my tongue off to create something.
You know, Wayne coming in. Shut the slow shit down.
I'm a finisher. Many men gon' need ministers. My thoughts are keep confidential. It's consequential. Philosophies unidentical. I'm not into you. My Siamese brother Benjamin.
This ain't rap music, this straight literature.
I love niggas like this.
Nigga, all your ideas miniature. They tend to hate all your mind frame. It shows that forever outright motherfucker.
I heard this song before, but goddamn, this sounds even better with the whole entire arrangement of the album. I swear. Yo, next one, like a fucking movie.
If you left me now, I know how far I regret it. Told you once, tell you twice that I'm indebted. But I can't waste no time for reticence. Love is no miracle. Lost ain't no day.
That's Cordae.
But trust is all you should know.
I thought that was Chris Brown. What the fuck?
And I'm not sure where my heart is headed. If you left me,
vocals like that, I thought that was Chris Brown.
You wanna go, but just make sure that we stay connected. I know you're solid, so I promise.
My time is precious.
With you million to 360, cause you been real with me.
360.
Street nigga about all drugs, but you ain't a nigga by you. These gon' be the same ones that's gon' kill for you.
On this road.
You still got it. We ain't got Freddie Gibbs. What type of shit is on this? Yo, they got a song with Freddie Gibbs and Stevie Wonder? Nah, let me see what the fuck going on. I'm getting mad at Durk, Michel, like that kind of era vibes with Wale. I'm talking about like Pineapples with Rose, Drake shit. Just from the beats on this shit, that's kind of vibes we get.
Okay, conversations. If anybody ever had a problem, gave them hell. I got my auntie, brothers, daddy, cousin, backstage passes. Everybody celebrating with their champagne glass. Moment, damn, he relished it. Matching chain embellished it. Drug dealer dreams with prison nightmares. Was never your eye. Grew up in them trenches, boy, your house had wine cellar. If
in the day, gotta break the
my first
game
one
of
for Freddie
backstage passes. Rapping it dirty, I know my shit dirty. I'd rather get pumped than get blasted.
Yo, son.
and complicated, I can
Let me see my son Stevie.
Stevie was in them
Yeah.
handcuffs with paraphernalia.
Some gold shit to get Stevie Wonder on the fucking song with you, bro. What the fuck? Yo, I'm I'm listening to this album, and this is what Roddy tried to. Nah, he ain't trying to do this. I can't even say that. I seen the video where it says Roddy tried to pull a Kendrick and shit like that. I feel like this is like the spitting image of that.
I just want to apologize in advance, really, for tell. Should he still be alive and well? Shout out my nigga, yo, in the belly of the beast where the strong survive. Try to move back.
He did, you know, that's a flex, bro. You got a song with Nas, that's a real flex.
We just got to give y'all my life. Everything from a bird's eye
view. Hey. Alright, so we listened to 1 through 12. Sadly, the first 2 songs, it was kind of like, in my fault, yeah, I'm tired of something. But I can kind of see what he mean by, like, we get to experience different shit to, like, make music and stuff like that. Because, you know, I was watching the documentary for his album and shit like that. He was just saying, like, you know, he want to experience more shit. You got out there a little bit more, you travel a lot more, and just started seeing the world. And he was rapping about shit like that, but shit that's obviously relatable for me, bro. This album right here, it reminded me a lot of like OG Kendrick. I'm thinking about my favorite album of all time, like by far, is probably 2014 Forest Hills Drive. Like that was just my shit. I haven't listened to Cordae as much as I used to, but that was my shit. Like I did listen to that same album over and over and over and over. I know the whole entire lyrics. Like it was giving me those kind of vibes, fake. Like it was giving me those kind of vibes, you know, the Boy and Sinner kind of vibes too as well. Like a mix between. Bro, I got OG Kendrick vibes from this shit too as well. I started listening to his older albums recently. I can see, let alone, yo, he actually put time and effort in this shit. And I got a favorite song from that whole entire shit. I got 2 actually. But we're gonna go back to it. I'm actually gonna listen to a shit with Eminem because I think this is new too as well. And the other shit with Roddy. And then after that, you got a song like Clemons. I've been seeing Clemons' name a lot lately, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Especially as a Kanye fan, like, you know, I'm doing a lot of good songs in that shit. So let's get right into it, man. I'm gonna see what's up. But overall, y'all, that segment from 1 to 12, I'm telling you, I had to, like, I literally had to like actually pause both of the 2 songs, the first 2 or 3 songs, because I was like, nah, this nigga's really coming crazy for this shit. And I try to calm down everything like that, but I was like, yeah, this shit is really fire. But
watch my moves and I'ma sign a deal for 20 bands and use that shit to get my brother out the can. Let me tell you, I can tell you by the time I had a penny in the plan. I can tell you shit, but you won't understand. Let me tell you, first and foremost, Mr. Kashi, spit on that bitch like big milk.
I know y'all heard what he just said. I can pause it now, shit like that, because Cordae said from 1 to 12, right? So I'm listening. I know y'all heard what he just said though, right?
Mr. Kashi, spit on that bitch like big milk.
I heard something about Tekashi. Hold, we gonna look at the lyrics of this shit. Hold on.
Formula to indiscriminately women and men in the
I don't even know what you're saying.
Tournaments, I turn them into tournament losers like verbal abuse, language, chirp for the use, cursing at you. Made a couple of mistakes that occurred in my group. Jumped, I've heard of the 2 word, but I'm through with telling you about the food stamps and the government cheese and how we used to get school lunch. Damn.
Having Eminem on any song, like literally, bro, having Eminem on any song is a flex. Talking about the Eminem, that's a fucking flex. Let alone that, even the bonus tracks on this shit is. I want to hear this though. Yeah, Clemons and Roddy, what this shit was sound like? Oh, this is a song. Oh, I'm tweaking. I just forgot. Let's look at that song though. We gonna vibe out to this, you know. And then we're gonna do my favorite song. Cause this song deserves it.
Whole lot of people that's been counting on me. Got this bad little shawty going down on the dick. Eat up off of your blade. They call me sliding on the E-way with the heat on the seat. I got tennis checks with crosses, but went down on the dick. I got shorty and we connected like the Wi-Fi. Hopped in the fan.
Alright, so it's safe to say that album was definitely fire. My fault, yeah, the microwave in the back, cook it up and shit. But yo, it was definitely fire. I like this album. Let's get into the favorite songs. I want to replay my favorite songs because I don't know, like, I try my hardest not to actually, feel me, like, stop it, but this shit is so, it's crazy. I don't know, he did it so well. Like, how do you put a jail call, I'm guessing this is his brother, but how you put a jail call on a beat? Like, I know niggas did that before. I forgot what artist actually did it. It's one of my That was a good song too as well.
He ain't have a lot of time, so he showed me where it was and showed me how to work it just in case a nigga run up in his bitch. Gotta murk him 13, I was serving nigga 15, Persian nigga trying to be a cocaine cowboy. Michael Irvin nigga 16. I was they want to see a
How do you do this?
I was living with him, went to prison with him. Or a business one, understand? Cause in my book, my mama raised a bag and I could've stitched on the dude to get me out the camp. I can tell you what I seen or what I lived, it's up to you. Or let my brother tell the story from a bird's eye view.
Like, damn, my nigga, like, that shit's fucking tough. Alright, you gonna let it play out. Fucking God. This is how the album should be played, and I'm glad I'm doing this over here, because it sounds way better when we just let it play out together. Rather than pausing it and just skipping to one song.
Brink of extinction, hell bent on survival. This life's a continuous cycle. Consider this a venomous haiku. This ain't no verse, nigga. And I done dealt with the worst, and I'll never forget it. I'm my worst critic, such an overthinker. I'm so self-reflective. God willing, these parables going. I see the hate in your eyes. I saw potential at first. Grew a resentment for earth. You lust for power too. An artist's first priority is gaining wealth. Sprinkle holy water on a tainted sin.
A lot better when you gonna play good. Sounds like a wave a lot better. Wave. Next one. Super, and then after that I'm gonna end it. That's when I originally stopped posting it. Damn, son, this nigga got it. Yeah, the first three was like really the craziest ones. I'm not gonna lie to you. Cause it sounded like that J. Cole song, bro, like he said from
last year I made 7 million, didn't have to do a single fucking no act in it. All these rap niggas, they be Brad Pitt. Every little thing I do is mad different. Got my little cousin playing badminton. Get my demeanor. I just bought a Birkin for my Aunt Regina. I've been getting money since I was a senior. But last year I made 7 million, didn't have to do a single fucking show.
I didn't even hear this. What the fuck? I'm here the second time.
Yo, we here forever, y'all can go quick. We had bad bitches in a new Bentley, just re-up in that new.
I didn't even know he said that the first time.
Bentley's only feel good with my fucking show. Shout out to my niggas up at Coca-Cola for the check that cut me at the Super Bowl. On my life moments is a Super Bowl. My nigga Dr. Dre, he got.
I did not hear none of that the first time. That is crazy, guys. So that explains a little bit more. He was really talking his shit, and I feel like this is the symbol to that one J. Cole song. Now I'm posting because we gotta pause it quick. I feel like this is the symbol to that one J. Cole song. I think I'm Born Sinner or I don't know. It's what I'm on. Like I love the song too, bro. I don't know the name of it. Niggas know. It sound like the niggas know. It's the Biggie shit. It sound like he did that symbol to that. I don't know if he did or not, but it's. I enjoy this album. Hope y'all enjoy as much as watching it with me. I'm gonna definitely put timestamps and shit like that because I know this was kind of all over the place. But yo, for the most part, y'all, Cordae got this shit in the fucking bag, bro. That nigga is fucking wild. I can see why he says listen to album 1 through 12, like just without no pauses. And it's me fucking around, I did 1 through 3. Just pausing it because it was like, damn, that's like, I mean, these are my favorite songs on that album overall. Like how he came in this shit, he just started talking his shit. Alright, along with the other songs, like honestly, I think I gotta listen to it one more time. I'm gonna let y'all know the comments below. But yo, that being said, yo, Cordae definitely shit on this shit. Proud, yo, he went fucking crazy. Come subscribe and see me react to more album reviews. Definitely. That being said, follow my IG in the description below. Catch y'all.